Hello, my name is Os Fuentes. Thank you for your time and attention. You found this video because you were online searching for furnaces in your area or heating systems in your area. Now let me tell you, we got exactly what you need. If what you're looking for is a free analysis on your furnace, we got that. We're going to give you that. We're also going to give you a free estimate with no obligation. And also, if you mention this video, we'll give you 10% discount on any installation. Now give us a call, 602-486-0127. Again, 602-486-0127. Again, my name is Os Fuentes. Thank you for your time.